okutongoza okwombeka
Project yo kwombeka maternity ward egi neyombeka aba Glory Technical Services Limited kandi ije kumaraho sente za Uganda $548 kandi sente ezi zihirwa aba USAID hansi y'ekitongole kya Uganda Health Alliance ekiri mu Ministry y'Ebyamagara.
The contract was supposed to take 6 months. It started on 4th April 2024, so we are ending in October 4th.
Ninyenda kusima abebembezi bito kuchira munonga woman member of parliament okushita mwaka kiko ka health ahabo kubasa kutuferayo bakatuletera ibintu ibi ahabo kuba bindi etwire kiri kiroto cyayo kurengwe katunguka erga health center yakashatebe yaka
arubaju rw'uburaro bw'abashaho ntija kombeka OPD block kandi empataneji ehirwa aba UPDF Engineering Brigade kandi umurumogu no gukora emyezi mukaga nugwija kumaraho $500,000.
That's the most important thing I want to do. What is important is quality, is what I only want. Let's not compromise quality. When the mix is wrong, it's wrong. When it's correct, it's correct. I have the engineers here, they have done the same thing. I need them always to be present in the site.
The center ituri to upgrading already a center zirino zijigenda kwa sofa nazirenga mu 1 billion obwo tutatire mu ambulance iba maze kutunga
okuri Gerard Peter Sebutinde urukure by'amagara habwa district ya Mbarara najangwe byona nibikorwa habwo kutebekanisa irwaro rya Rubindi Health Center 3 okuza harurengo rwa Health Center 4 muri Kasharu North yo mu district ya Mbarara
konko muringo umukono gumwe twaroncinga project yo kwombeka enzu z'abashaho hamwe no kwombeka ikizimbe ekitweta OPD umurimi rw'ekishaho ekya Rubindi Health Center 3 konke ibyo byona nibikorwa abo kuba Rubindi Health Center 3 niri mu amarwariro agaronzerwemo kuza kuba Health Center 4
OPD yabarwire bakomana bakicira za kujishanjura ebiriruho okujonjera ikaba mpango kandi kabone
project season niziza kweza $1 billion n'emitwaro 48 za Uganda gasha kwa Evans Tarimo.